Hi guys, welcome back to
Buttercup Slimes!
I'm Louise.
I'm Eloise.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make a clear slime.
What you'll need is a mixing bowl, clear glue, a spoon to get the borax solution out of the cup, a half teaspoon, a mixing tool,
Food coloring, 1 cup of warm water, and half a teaspoon of borax.
So you start by pouring the glue into the bowl.
Okay. So then you put your half teaspoon of borax into the water.
And you're going to want to mix it until it's fully dissolved.
So then you put your food coloring in your glue and you mix it. So now you put 3 spoonfuls of activator into your slime.
And then you're going to mix that into the slime. And it's starting to become slime a little bit. It's starting to become slimy.
Okay.
So right now it's becoming goop, but once we mix it in for a little while longer, it will become slime.
Here, let's add a bit more. If you don't want the slime to get on your hands, you can dip them into the activator and it won't stick.
So right now it's becoming slime. And it's a blue clear slime and it's really stretchy.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and smash that subscribe button.
This slime is available, so you can buy it from us.